So in this video, I am sharing the tips that I used to start writing straight on an A4 page without any ruler or lines in just 15 days. Hey everyone, it's me Neha. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to share my tips and tricks on how to write straight on an A4 blank page. We all know how to write, right? But most of us know how to write straight on a ruled page than blank page. I mean, which is not ruled. So in this video, I am sharing the tips that I used to start writing straight on an A4 page without any ruler or lines in just 15 days. So let's begin with trick number 1. All you need is a ruler and a black sketch pen or marker. Next, draw straight dark black lines on the first half part of the page. Now put the blank sheet over the lined one and start writing. You would notice that you would be able to write straight even on the other half part of the page where the dark lines of below page is not visible. This is my handwriting on a rule page. Yes, I have a very different way of holding a pen. Trick number 2. In this trick, you have to draw a horizontal and vertical margin on the page. Then simply start writing. Try to maintain gap between each sentence and maintain an angle of 45 degree. This trick is for those who want to save their time. Margin will keep your hand to move straight in line. This is how I write my bullet journal. I generally prefer print handwriting for journaling. It looks neat and clean. As in the last trick, you have to draw horizontal and vertical margin of the page. After that, divide the page in 3 sections by drawing dotted lines. Then start writing. With this trick, you would be able to maintain your hand between 2 dotted lines, and this will keep your hand to move straight. After writing, erase the lines in between the text. Now time for tips. The first one is maintain easy grip. Try to hold your pen in a way that your fingers don't feel any tension while writing. The second one is maintain an angle of 45 degree. The space between your body and your hand should be 45 degree. The third one is maintain equal space between each words, like space between power, of, your, subconscious are equal. The fourth one is maintain equal space between each letter. Like here, power, M, P, O, W, E, R have equal space in between them. So the fifth one is don't move your hand's position because this will make your handwriting to slant in different direction. This is a piece of my handwriting. I use mixed handwriting. Sometimes I use cursive and sometimes I use print handwriting style. Remember, there is no hard and fast rule for handwriting, and every person has a different handwriting. The important thing is you need to try to maintain your handwriting neat and clean. I hope you would like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more study related videos. Leave your comments below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.